is SHARPAY EVANS, University of Albuquerque Performing Arts.
It's the best part we've ever known. Step into the future.
So to make the SHARPAY inspired graduation cap, I took sparkly construction paper from Michael's and I printed out my initials CG and I cut the letters out. Then I taped the CG onto the sparkly paper and then I cut the letters out. I took the sparkly white / silver paper and I traced around the cap. Then I cut out the paper so it would be the size of the cap. Then I glued the paper onto the cap. Then I glued the letters onto the cap and it was done! Okay, so that was the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe.